man. This is the music of a hip-hop band. Jazz, we're more than that. But this jazz contains a new format. When you misjudged us, speculated, created a fuss.
You made the same mistake politicians had.
Talking all that jazz.
People tell you just that bar for a lot. You see, you misunderstood. A sample is a tactic. In fact, it's only a report when I make it a priority.
And when we samples out by the majority, put you a minority in terms of thought.
Narrow-minded
And poor and talk about hip-hop and opportunity game to erase my music so no one can use it. Step on us and step on
you.
you.
Can't have your cake and eat it too.
Talking all that jazz.
我已经看过无数次，都非常厉害啦！这里 ready 3, 2, and 1。我就知道嘛，不用比了。再来 OK。刚刚是我们文圣先锋，接下来我们绿金先锋，但我们 B-boy 也知道很累，我们再喘一下好不好？再给我们一点声音好不好？绿金可以了吗？喘完了吗 ？OK，DJ drop the beat。
For a nigga like me, I see about some freestyle shit. But I don't do that. I just go down, jump here, SLJ, LP, and my nigga Henry G. Yeah, we do this shit like this. The card to the H is due, so cut the nigga loose next to the 3. That's me, the motherfucking G. I got juice, I ride on my surfboard, rhyme hard, but only buy the shit that I can't afford. That's everything. That's why I jump in that range. Cause in the motherland goes for kings. I got backup to jack up punks and try to act up. Do a world tour, watch a big bank stack up. Motherfuckers get top with the quickness, dig this. I got make mistakes and you lose or you might die. Cause I'm the wrong actually a bruise and that's no lie. Meanwhile the beat I stack to the top of my niggas. Mostly for squeezing triggers. I call them homies, pigs, call them crooks. Selling like kites and put bucks on their dicks. I give a fuck about a cop or a G-man. They all talk shit, their breath smelling like semen. I catch them in the alley all alone. Put them in the prone. Pop, pop, pop to the dome. It's a G-style. Gangsta style. G-style, the gangsta talk on the full flex. I got a Teflon 9 in an East vest. I kick a motherfucker out quick for popping shit. Ride roads, catch hoes like a mitt. LA, Atlanta, New York, yo, my shit rock. Chi-town, Miami, Detroit, I get much props. Because I roll with the hardcore G. Every street the same street to me. I don't bullshit, I don't quit right in a rhyme fit. KKK, pretty shade that I get hit. Motherfuckers try to flip on the ice pick. Movement slip, close the eyes to catch a fucking clip. Not in the ghetto no more, but I do hang. Got a black phone in the city.
好，再问三个绿军 ，Nice music，OK。家主，我们今天。